So this question here is question number 15 from exercise 2 of haloalkanes, haloarenes. So the question says, which of the following is least reactive towards nucleophilic displacement reaction? First of all, we are talking about nucleophilic displacement and we are talking about an haloarene here, substituted haloarene. So let's take the options given 2, 4, 6 trinitrochlorobenzene. So if I take 2, 4, 6, second position with respect to the chloro group, fourth position and the sixth position. This is the first option. This is the option A. And then the option B is given as 2, 4 dinitrochlorobenzene. So we have structure like this. Then the option C is 4 nitrochlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene with the fourth position with the NO2 group. And the last option given to us is 3-nitro. 3-nitro, the third position is actually a meta position. So these are the options given to us. So now in this particular question, we have to understand that reactivity of haloarene is completely different from that of the haloalkane. Haloalkanes are more prone to nucleophilic substitution, but haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution because of partial double bond character. So how can we enhance the reactivity? We very well know that it is possible with electron withdrawing groups, and a NO2 group is an electron withdrawing group. NO2 is electron withdrawing group. So greater the number of groups, greater is the influence. But the position of the group matters a lot. So what is that? Ortho and para positions, the influence of the group is more effective. Influence is effective when it is at the ortho and para. Irrespective of nature of the group, whether it is an electron withdrawing group or an electron donating group, you should understand and should remember that the influence of the group at the meta position is least. So this is the molecule, that is the 3-nitrochlorobenzene is the one which is the least reactive component in these examples. Now here you can see that this is ortho, this is para, this is also ortho, and moreover 3 nitro groups are present. Here 2 nitro groups, one at ortho, one at para. Here only 1 nitro, but it is at para. So among the given options, 3-nitrochlorobenzene is the least reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.